Hi, welcome to Chhabri Housing and this is Bhakti, and today we are at Bhoomi SIMΑNA, which is located at Parel. So here comes 5.3 acres land parcel with two towers, Tower A and Tower B. The Tower A is 43 story and Tower B is 53 story. So here we have 50 plus amenities, which includes Jain temple, clubhouse, swimming pool, kids pool. So welcome to 3 beds Grand with a double 133 carpet area, where we have a spacious living and dining area. And this is your modular kitchen with a dry space. So here we have our office space, which is convertible to a bedroom. And here comes your powder washroom. And this is your deputy master bedroom. And this is your master bedroom. For more details, please click on the link below and don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment.